Given that 9 to the power of minus half equals 27 to the power of a quarter divided by 3 to the power of x plus 1, we need to find the value of x. Okay, so we've got lots of indices going on here, so we need to know our indice laws. So we've got a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y is a to the power of x plus y. A to the power of x all to the power of y is a to the power of x multiplied by y. And a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y equals a to the power of x minus y. But what all these indice laws have in common is that they always work with the same base here. So we've always got a here, and a here, and a here. But look at the equation that we've been given. We see we've got loads of different bases. We've got a 9, 27, 3. So that's going to make it harder to work with. So we need to see if there's a way we can get them all to be the same base. And I think we can make them all a base of 3. So starting off with this term here, 9 is 3 squared. So we can replace the 9 with 3 squared, and that's still going to be the power of minus a half. 27 is 3 to the power of 3, still to the power of a quarter. And remember these brackets, they're really important. And I'm going to write the divide as a fraction like this. You can have divide by, and it's already got a base of 3, so that's fine. So 3 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to use this indice law for the minute. So for this term here, we're going to have 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by minus a half, which equals 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by a quarter over 3 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, so tidying it up a bit, well, these 2's will cancel, leaving us with just minus 1. So 3 to the power of minus 1 equals 3 times a quarter, 3 to the power of 3 quarters over 3 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, so now we've got a fraction like this. So we could very easily use this indice law here. However, I'm going to use a different technique in this case. What I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 3 to the power of x plus 1. Doing so will leave us with 3 to the power of x plus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of minus 1 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, the 3 to the power of x minus 1's will cancel, leaving us with 3 to the power of 3 quarters. So now for this one, we can use our top indice law over here. So when you're multiplying it together, you just add the powers. Let's just add the powers. We're going to get 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 1, which equals 3 to the power of 3 over 4. Well, this is really nice because the 1 and minus 1 just go to 0. So we're just going to have 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 3 quarters. Therefore, because we've got the same basis here, we can say x is going to equal 3 quarters, which is our final answer. Okay, so we get our first mark over here for converting everything to a common base. Then we get our second mark for getting down to this step here. Then our third mark for carrying out the rest of the working to get down to x equals 3 quarters.